Beneath the quiet grasslands, hidden just a few inches below the surface, lies a world that very few humans have ever seen. A complex underground network of tunnels, chambers, and hidden activity that operates silently beneath our feet. To explore this secret world, researchers carefully mounted a tiny micro camera on the back of a juvenile pocket gopher. The small rodent, no larger than a human hand, is one of nature's most skilled underground engineers. For pocket gophers, the surface is only a brief stop. Almost their entire lives are spent underground, digging, expanding, and maintaining vast tunnel systems beneath the soil. As the young gopher moves toward its burrow entrance, the journey begins. At first, daylight still reaches the tunnel opening, but within seconds, the animal disappears beneath the surface, and the outside world slowly fades away. Darkness quickly takes over. Now, the only source of light is the tiny research LED mounted beside the camera. The narrow beam reveals rough soil walls packed tightly around the tunnel. Tiny grains of dirt slide down the walls as the gopher moves forward. For the gopher, this is not a maze. It is a carefully constructed transportation network built through constant digging and maintenance. Using powerful claws and sharp front teeth, pocket gophers push through dense soil, creating underground pathways that can stretch for dozens of meters. Every tunnel connects important areas of the colony: feeding zones, storage chambers, resting nests, and new excavation sites. As the gopher continues deeper, other members of the colony begin to appear. They pass each other in the tight corridors, whiskers briefly touching in the darkness. Each animal seems to know exactly where it is going. Some gophers are pushing fresh soil backward through the tunnel. Others carry plant roots and underground stems that will later be stored as food. Above the ground, grasses and plants grow quietly in the sunlight, but beneath the soil, their roots provide a vital food supply for the colony. Soon, the tunnel opens into a larger chamber. Here, activity becomes much more intense. Several gophers are digging along the chamber walls, slowly expanding the underground structure. Soil is pushed backward in steady bursts, gradually carving new spaces inside the earth. The chamber floor is scattered with roots, stems, and small piles of freshly dug dirt. Nearby, a food storage area becomes visible. Dozens of plant roots and bulbs lie in organized piles. These supplies allow the colony to survive long periods without returning to the surface. The juvenile gopher pauses briefly, sniffing the stored roots before continuing its journey. Deeper inside the colony, the soil becomes darker and slightly more compact. Small pockets of moisture glisten faintly under the narrow LED beam. These deeper tunnels provide stable temperatures and protection from predators, heat, and changing weather above ground. Occasionally, the young gopher squeezes through very tight passages. The tunnel walls brush against its body as it moves forward. The camera shakes gently with each movement, revealing just how narrow these underground highways really are. Despite the darkness and confined space, the colony functions with remarkable efficiency. Every tunnel has a purpose, every chamber plays a role, and every gopher contributes to the construction of this hidden underground world. For a moment, the young pocket gopher pauses again. The LED beam slowly sweeps across the tunnel walls as it turns its head. Beyond the reach of the light, the burrow stretches endlessly into darkness, a secret world beneath our feet, quiet, busy, and alive with constant movement. And as the young pocket gopher continues forward, the journey through its vast underground colony goes even deeper.